Y'all, I'm going to share a banana bread recipe with y'all, and it's not mine. A friend of mine had made this that she found on some website out there. And she said, I know you make a lot of banana breads. You ought to try this one. It's like a salty caramel banana nut bread or banana bread. I don't even think it calls for nuts. So you could certainly add nuts, which I probably will. So I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got my baking soda, my salt. Or is that baking powder? I can't remember. Teaspoon of cinnamon. But y'all can find the recipe at the end of this video, so no problem. So I'm just going to mix all of our dry. I didn't mean to mix that in. I think I'm going to do something else. So let's see. I've got a stick of butter at room temperature. You know, the one thing that you want to remember when you're making muffins and breads like this, you don't want to overbeat them. So I'm going to get my butter to going. And then I'm going to capture my brown sugar that I put in my flour. Just going to take it out and beat it with my stick of butter. So I'm going to add my eggs one at a time. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to put in there is our sour cream. And our 4 very, very, very ripe bananas. I've always thought that the riper the banana, the more strength those bananas have. So we'll see how it works with this one. All right, I'm going to add some vanilla. Maybe that much. And now I'm going to take the whisk and just kind of whisk our dry ingredients together. And from this point on, this is where I don't want to over mix. Come on now there, flour. And we want to mix this until just moistened. And that looks about right. Smells like bananas. You think I ought to put some nuts in it? What do y'all think? I'm a nut eater.
I know.
Maybe sprinkle it on the top of the glaze.
Yeah, we could do that.
Or just sprinkle them over the top when you bake them, and then the glaze will.
Yeah, we could do that too.
Or you could just put them in because
you're
dying to.
Or I could put no nuts at all. All right, now I'm using a spray, a nonstick spray that has flour in it. So I want to make sure that this bread does not stick to the pan. I don't think that stuff can be good for our lungs. Oh. Okay, so here we go. And I'm cooking this in a 9x5 loaf pan, y'all. You know what? I always tell people, when you're making a recipe, go right by the recipe the first time you make it. And I'm just now fixing to eat my own words. So I've decided I am going to make the recipe just as my friend sent it to me. So there we go, in the oven. I believe she said 350 for some kind of minutes.
I think it's like 45 or 50.
Yeah, I think it is too. So I took our banana bread out of the pan and it came out beautifully. I sprayed it real good. Now I'm going to stick a piece of parchment paper under that rack so I won't make a big mess when I put the glaze on it. Let's see if I can do it that way. I think I can. With Eddie's help, I know I can. Okay, thank you, Eddie. Perfect. All right, now to make our glaze, I'm going to first add our butter. And then I'm going to add brown sugar. And then I'm going to add a little heavy cream. And I think that's it, isn't it? Butter, brown sugar, confectionate sugar, and like 1 or 2 teaspoons of heavy cream if we need it. So we'll see. This is pretty much very easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and add our brown sugar. And I want to stir this until our brown sugar dissolves. I'll make sure that don't burn it first, though. Okie dokie. Now we're going to need a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, which, kosher salt is more powerful than regular salt. So that's where the salted caramel comes in. And I hope this is good. My girlfriend told me it was real good. So we shall see. Okay, so definitely going to have to add a little of that cream. But it won't take much. It's hot. Hear it sizzling? All right, now our instructions say to let this cool for 5 minutes before we put it on our banana bread. Has it been 5 minutes yet?
I vote yes.
Okay. This does make for a different kind of banana bread, doesn't it? And then I'm just going to put nuts on part of it. So if somebody has a piece that doesn't want nuts, all they have to do is cut from the other end. But But if you feel like a nut, you got it. Right? But this one piece got a little hard. Yeah, I could have added a little bit more cream. That's all right. I did what the recipe said. Okie doke. Bon appetit, y'all. I'll put a little bit of nuts on mine. Come on, Teresa, get in there and get you.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Girlfriend did you well.
Mm-hmm. Winner, chicken dinner.
Texture of the bread is good.
Yes, isn't it? And I like the salty of the caramel.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Thank you, Elaine, for sharing that recipe with me. I love it. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.